Kanina. Ini yung spot na yan, oh. Ini ka natin, Chel. Didi tayo tapos didi tayo nag-spot. Ining pinabalagbag na ni, which is ako nagpabalagbag man ako dati before, kaso pinaatras ako ulit, kaso ito, hindi pwede kasi mahaba nga yung isa nilang kasama. Puro buses. Yan, mga kung tao 335 magkabin tsaka kataning kita. Ano pwede. Yeah, tsaka ini 3035 tsaka ini. Halimbawa may RV kang friend tsaka may cabin. Shortcut. Later na naman, crowded na naman didi. Ayun. You wanna go over again? Ilagyan mo pa lang. See? And the Tower Park. Yes, there you go. This opens at 11 a.m. Okay, we're gonna go around here to see the check some RVs around us. It's too crowded here. As you can see, Ford F-250. Now we are about to enter the Jellystone older campsite. It's too crowded because it's summertime. This is the lazy river. You can park your rent. Nilakulaon na yung nabas, oh. Bintana. Ano yung paso? Ano talaga? Maura gini, truck.